Dear professors, my name is Wang. This is the title of our papers. Experimental research on text capture of fine-grained security features. CAPTCHA means completely automated public tuning test to tell computers and humans apart. Personal information security is a crucial issue in cybersecurity, especially with the surge in websites and internet users, especially in highly developed deep learning technology. Text-based CAPTCHA is widely used on websites to register a login because of its low cost and rich diversity. Take 4 English characters, including case insensitive letters and digits, as an example. And 3, there are about 1.7 million possible combinations. However, an advantage in quality is not the core solution of CAPTCHA. Well, brute force and sequential searching can easily break the simple text CAPTCHA. And the problem is that most attackers or malicious bots use optical capture recognition, capture stagnation, and end-to-end deep learning technologies to attack text capture. The disadvantage is that the previous method was that it was a white box attack. The attackers or bots should know the structure of the generation model. This is a problem statement. The research only provided a coarse-grained quantitative analysis instead of a fine-grained assignment. Researchers only compared the overall recognition accuracy, not the effect of security measures. Second, they did not investigate how the security features affect the anti-attack ability. The third is, the previous literature did not compare the anti-attack ability between security features and adversarial examples. Our study contributions are implement of fine-grained quantitative assignment of the security mechanisms and exploit anti-attack security measures and the impact of them. Construct a contrast experiment to compare the anti-attack ability of security features and adversarial examples method. Lastly, we provided a robust CAPTCHA generation method and offer practical insight into image security. Next is our method. This is the framework of our method. Firstly, it is employing security features and generate the base CAPTCHA. The second and the important stage is the MBPS mechanism. We call it MBPS mechanism, which means multi-stage best parameter selection mechanism, which contains 2 stages. One of the stages is best single security feature parameter selection, and the other one is best mixed security feature selection. From this, we can obtain best mixed security features combinations, and use these security features, we can generate robust CAPTCHA data sets, and then we can use these data sets to do some contrast experiment. This is a briefly framework in detail. First, it is the fine-grained evolution models of security features. The first process is exploring the security features in detail. Secondly, base CAPTCHA was generated to guarantee all the CAPTCHA datasets under the same baseline. Thirdly, a crucial screening process called the MBPS mechanism is used. Then, robust CAPTCHA datasets were generated using these best performance security features. Lastly, a contrast experiment was conducted. The first important stage is best single security selection. In this selection stage, which have 4 steps. First, generating data sets with single security feature parameters. 2. Test CAPTCHA and attackability using the deep CAPTCHA recognition model, which is performances based in the text CAPTCHA recognition model. 3. Screen the best performing parameters under the same security feature. Compare the performance of all of the 10 security features and select the top ones. This is the best single security feature signalization result. And from this result, we can compare the curves. We can also analyze the single feature selection, and we can divide them there into 3 levels. The first level is here, which we can call weak. Weak CAPTCHA means their anti-attackability is weak. And the second level is middle, while the last one we can call it is strong ones. Then we use the single security features parameters, the best ones, to find which combinations have the best performance. So in this stage, we exploit the top 4 robust security features called background, overlap, scale, rotate to generate mixed security features. Here, we cover all the combinations of these 4 strong ones. Second, we can make the 2, 3, and 4 different combinations of security features simultaneously. Similarly, the deep CAPTCHA recognition algorithm also measures the anti-recognition ability of mixed security features. This is the mixed security feature selection result. This result illustrates that when the input equals 100, the recognition accuracy. The best one is the first one, It is the overlap plus background and scale and root. And then the second one is overlap and scale and rotate. To evaluate the adversarial examples and security features impact in anti-attack ability, we implement contrast experiment. The experiment is reference 31. The results are as follows. It is from the charts we can see our CAPTCHA has better performance on anti-attack ability. Also, we do the samples, different samples. Samples equals 2000 and samples equals 10,000. So from the chart we can find baseline CAPTCHA becomes highly vulnerable as the number of the samples increases. And the AE CAPTCHA in 31 with reference 31 shows better resistance than the baseline with 10,000 samples, but is still relatively vulnerable. Our CAPTCHA consistently demonstrates the best performances, and the result suggests that our CAPTCHA is good. And the sufficient samples can enable the recognition module to obtain patient information and achieve higher recognition accuracy. So, this study investigates the impact of security features parameters on the ability of anti-attack, especially on English language CAPTCHAs. Deep learning algorithms maintain higher recognition accuracy, even with added security features like complex backgrounds and rotation. Well, it is notable that for complex background and rotation will be used carefully because complex background cannot only very complex backgrounds not only block the machine's recognition but also the real human users. So that is we are not hooked. The second one is we can find increasing the sample size improve the recognition accuracy by over 35%, while adversarial noise only reduces accuracy by 2%. So, our study also proposes the multi-stage based parameters selection, which is MBPS mechanism. MBPS mechanism used to optimize CAPTCHA security and calls for further research on larger data sets and other CAPTCHA types. In conclusion, our study has performed well in anti-attack ability and will guidelines the image generation field. Thank you very much. That's that is all of our papers, our studies. Thank you so much.